Alright, I couldn't help but add this. So after a little bit of troubleshooting and working with one of my friends over GitHub, we found a really cool way that you can actually set it up so that you can use the serial monitor to type in after making a whole vocabulary or a whole definition, after writing all the definitions to each letter. There's actually a way that we got it so that the serial monitor, so you can just type whatever you want it to say, send it through the serial monitor, and it'll spit it out in Morse code like a Morse code translator. I thought that was pretty cool that we were able to figure out how to do that. It was a little bit tricky, but I thought it was fun.